In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Metatrader drawing tools. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place the most common lines on your chart and remove them cleanly so your analysis stays clear and useful. First, go to Metatrader and open the chart you want to work with. Any symbol and time frame will do. Make sure your chart is active and visible so you can place drawings directly on it. If your workspace looks busy, consider maximizing the chart window for a cleaner view while you work. Now, look to the top of the platform. This is where the drawing toolbar lives, right above the chart area. You'll see icons for different line tools. If you don't immediately spot them, hover your mouse over each icon to see its label. Those labels will confirm you're picking the right tool before you click. Let's start with the vertical line. Click the Draw Vertical Line tool, then click once on the chart where you want to mark a specific time. This is great for highlighting the start of a session, a news release, or any moment you want to revisit. If you placed it slightly off, just select the line and drag it left or right to the exact candle. You'll know it's selected when small handles appear on the line. Next, choose the Horizontal Line tool. Click it, then click on the chart at the price level you want to mark. Horizontal lines are your best friend for support, resistance, and key psychological levels. After placing it, you can drag it up or down to fine-tune the price. Use your platform's price scale as a guide to match important levels precisely. Now, click the Trend Line tool. This one requires 2 clicks, one to start and another to end the line. Use it to connect swing highs or lows and visualize the market's direction. If you need to adjust the angle or length, select the trend line and drag its endpoints until it aligns with your chosen structure. Zooming in a bit can help you anchor the line to exact wicks or bodies. If you want to delete a drawing, first make sure it's selected. You'll see the little selection handles appear, confirming you've got the right object. Then simply press the delete key. That's it, clean and quick. If you don't see those handles, click directly on the line again to select it before pressing delete. That's the essentials. Access Metatrader, use the top toolbar, place vertical, horizontal, and trend lines, and delete what you don't need. Practice these a few times and drawing will become second nature.